Connecticut Perspective TV. We're now here in Waterbury on East Main Street at the famous and fabulous Cavallo's Imported Foods. Wonderful Italian foods, deli, and so much more. They've been here since 1968. They've got sauce cooking on the stove right now. They're in the kitchen working hard, and I've heard their lasagna is spectacular. We're going to try it. Join us. Oh, doesn't that look good? We're going to be trying this momentarily. We're here in Waterbury at Cavallo's, and this is the award-winning second generation Maria Cavallo. And we're so excited to welcome her to Connecticut Perspective TV. Jim Masters here. We are surrounded by great ingredients because you're going to make a lasagna.
I'm going to make a Cavallo
Welcome
lasagna.
to our show. We've heard so much about you.
Having.
What a wonderful place this is we've discovered in Waterbury.
Well, thank you for coming.
So take us through the steps of the lasagna.
We start with layering of the cheese.
Yeah. Sauce there. Yeah.
Sauce on the bottom. And we put a layer of my fresh pasta sheets.
So those pasta sheets, you have them specially brought in?
Yes.
So it makes it easier so you can do it quicker, huh?
Yes. The store-bought pasta, you have to boil it a little bit.
Yeah.
But because this is fresh, you really don't need to. On top of the cheese, we now sprinkle the chopped up meatballs.
Doesn't that look good?
Add sauce in between the layers.
Can't go wrong with more sauce, huh?
All right, we add in one more layer of the pasta. People have this fear about making lasagnas.
Like it's an ordeal.
It's a big event. It's
when
a
you see
big,
the layers and you see.
You know, and it takes me like 10 minutes, really.
So again, having those pasta sheets ready, and of course the sauce makes it quicker and easier because it's a relatively
very quick,
cost-effective, quick and easy meal,
very,
too, right?
And and then we sprinkle a little bit more grated cheese in between the layers.
Yeah.
Some more of the meat. Our pasta sheets, if our customers would like to purchase them, we do sell them.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, and it'll be very convenient for them.
Absolutely. I mean, absolutely.
We sell our sauce, we sell our meatballs. All you gotta do is go home and
just
put it together, and we layer it on the top with another layer of sauce, and my lasagna's done.
Look at that. And here she is.
Yay!
All set, ready to go in that oven.
Good.
Can't wait till we eat this very, very soon. So did you preheat the oven?
Yep, 350. We preheat the oven.
Fantastic. Look at that. Ooh. So that's the pasta fazool over here. Some really good-looking Italian wedding soup. Look at this, filled with chunks and chunks of what's in here?
Our Cavallo's meatballs.
Yeah.
We have
which I love. Yeah.
Spinach. We have shredded carrots, and our pasta is orzo, and a nice chicken broth. Jim, I would like for you to try it.
My spoon is ready.
See how I rank on the food thing here.
We know how you rank on the food thing. A++.
It's really hot, so be careful.
You know, my father was from Italy, my grandmother obviously from Italy, and it's about the closest thing I can get to a good Italian meal, yeah.
This is called Tyrone, an Italian Tyrone.
So this is something that you've created?
No. This is something that's been around forever.
A long time.
If you travel to Italy, in every street fair, you're going to find this big, ginormous, it's like this big block, and they take a chisel, and they're like hammering these big rock-hard pieces of Tyrone off of, and every street fair has it. And my aunt went, she figures out that she can make this Tyrone at home, but she's going to make it nice and soft. So it's like an Italian nougat candy.
Now, what is it? What does it consist of?
This, we can't tell you. This is a complete secret. This is the secret recipe, and we can't tell you what, we can tell you that it's got almonds, and we can tell you that it's got egg whites, and it's got sugar, and it's got cream, and it's got butter, and it's got some other things in it that we can't tell you.
See this wonderful piece here? It looks very lonely, so we're going to take care of it. Look at that. So the white chocolate consistency with the almonds inside. Doesn't that look terrific? Tyrone.
Take a bite before I do. It's delicious. Perfect.
Does it look terrific?
It does, yeah. Believe me,
Would you
I
like
eat
a
pounds
piece?
of it.
You can get a piece. It exists here in Waterbury.
That's right,
At
right
Cavallo's.
here. We're
But
the only ones
this
that
piece
sell it
doesn't exist
homemade.
much longer.
No, I know.
What are some of the things that you guys offer?
Well, our most popular is the Italian combo.
Yeah.
This is what put us on the map. That won us the prestigious Best in Connecticut award from Connecticut Magazine.
Connecticut Magazine, probably seen
Twice.
this.
2 years in a row.
Twice.
2 years in a row.
Wow.
Which is great. I'm so humbled by that. You
What's
have no
in it?
idea. It's mortadella, salami, capicola, provolone cheese on our famous Miletti's bread.
You guys don't mess around.
And no, we don't. I mean, look at that thing.
What's your perspective? Why do you love it?
This is a great place to come eat. The food is wonderful, the desserts are divine, but it's the people that work here that make it the best place in Waterbury to come.
Wow. Cavallo's Deli, imported foods right here in Waterbury. The food is as good as it looked on this segment.